Hey guys, Jacob with ePoolSupply. Today we have Refresh. So this is the Pool Refresh from inSPAration. Stay tuned. I'm going to show you what this is. Really cool stuff. All right, and we're back. So inSPAration company has created this product called Pool Refresh. I have personally used this product in my pool all year round. So what you want to do is take 5 ounces of this, put it right in your water, 30 minutes before you want to swim, or even 5 hours before you want to swim. And your whole pool water and pretty much your backyard will smell like, I believe it's plumeria. Like, this stuff smells amazing. And it does not hurt any chemicals, doesn't hurt your pH level. It doesn't adjust anything. It doesn't feel weird. It actually, I mean, it's like a lotion for your water too. So it makes your water soft, which is amazing. Like, my wife, my kids, all my friends, family that come over and swim at our house, like, they love this stuff. Like, people are hooked onto buying this in our local retail stores strictly because it is just, I cannot tell you how awesome this product is, but it just smells amazing and it makes that water feel amazing as well. It is what you see. I mean, it is a fragrance for your swimming pool. So if you guys want to spice up your backyard and just make it smell great for a party, highly recommend this. And I've honestly never seen any reaction with bugs or bees or anything else that like it. So it's not like you're going to attract anything extra. Ultimately, it's pretty neutral on any side effect that you could ever get. It doesn't leave any scum line. It doesn't leave anything looking blue. There's not a whole lot of side effects at all with this product going into your pool water. So again, this is inSPAration's Refresh. It is a great, great product. You guys got to try this out. We highly recommend it over here at ePoolSupply, in-store and online. Yeah, I am Jacob with ePoolSupply. Thanks for watching the video on inSPAration's Refresh.
Thanks for watching our videos. Be sure to like and subscribe down below. We have a lot more content coming up. I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. See you next time.